Hi, Siraj Dawar here. You man. How to get income on Clickbank similar to this, so if that is something which you're interested in, make sure to look at this video till cease. Hi there guys, vertical beings, right here on this video I'm going to show you man how to make $300 a day promoting clipping merchandise at no cost, so that is for all of the beginners that are asking me. I've $0 to invest, I cannot construct any internet site, I cannot build any funnels, so I'm going to expose you men this approach that is actually claimed to get commenced with. So the most effective element that you want is to ship traffic to your associate hyperlink, so I am going to show you guys how to do it, and you could see a number of the sales from remaining 20 days. You can see $2,179 and you can see right here are some of the sales in last, as I stated, 20 days, so it is certainly easy to get sales. Need to discover the proper traffic, and I'm going to show you man I can locate the proper site visitors for precise products, so ensure to look at this video till, and also men, in case you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button due to the fact we add daily movies in this channel on the way to make cash online, a way to make money on Clickbank, so you do not need to miss that out, so make certain to press that subscribe button. So I'm going to reveal men, I am going to leap immediately into this video, so I am no longer going to waste it slow. So initially I am going to show you guys a way to create your Clickbank account if you already do not have one. So cross on clickbank.com and right here in the proper nook you can see create account, and once more it's miles sincerely clean to create account. It's miles 100% loose, so that you don't have any dangers on dropping a few cash or something like that. So it's miles 100 free. You could move and create your Clickbank account when you're executed. With that, you need to click on associate marketplace, and normally I might talk about what you may choose. Right here on the left you could see classes that you can position as you could find a few niche you could create your content material around. However, we're going to jump in precise area of interest, so we're going to search for President of America, and I'm going to explain you guys why are we doing this. So right here you may see Trump 2020 gold coin, so we are going to sell this product, and I wanted to explain men why are we selling specially this product. So initially you could see while we click at the hyperlink of this affiliate hyperlink, you can see it says over 62 million people voted for our president. They all need this coin, so there are 62 million humans that voted for Donald Trump, and I want to provide an explanation for you guys how you can promote this product with free visitors and the way you may get sales. So to start with, you could see it's for 100 unfastened coin, but whilst you click on of direction at the purchase button, you need to pay for delivery, so transport and managing for one coin it expenses $6.95, and after that you may see if you need to shop for cash you want, you may pay in almost $9 for those coins, and there is unfastened transport and coping with. So basically they're promoting the product without cost, but they're going to pay for transport and managing, so that is how this method works, and that I want to display you guys how you could promote this coin. And what is clearly crucial is, of course, whilst you click on affiliate equipment, I need to show you guys this. So this funnel on average it converts from 5 to 10%, so which means while you promote, while you send targeted visitors to this associate hyperlink, while someone comes, let's assume 100 human beings comes to this affiliate hyperlink, and 10 people are going to possibly buy it, so you can see common commission in step with consumer, you 20 greenbacks in line with consumer on common, and what that means is you can see they're going to get this point totally free. However, they are going to go into the funnel with 5 one-of-a-kind gifts, so they may be going to get 5 one-of-a-kind gifts, and that is what we call up and come. And once they buy those upsells and the unique offers, you will earn fee additionally on those. So this is why that is clearly extremely good product to sell. So I need to show you men how you may sell without problems, without creating website, without doing any of that stuff. I wanted to show you men how you can sell this product free of charge, so that you can see each draw bill for this product might be up to $420. So basically you are doing this product at no cost on the front quit. However, at the again quit you are selling a variety of other products that your clients are going to be distinctly interested by, so that is going to be this is going to convert it like loopy. So allows click on promote, and also you want to enter your associate idea proper here. So basically this is how Clickbank is aware of, which you have sent the sale to them. So while you enter your Clickbank idea proper here and click on generate hot link, you are going to get this particular and special affiliate link that you're going to use to permit Clickbank recognize that you have dispatched the sale if they purchase the product. So you're going to earn sale only if client buys the product. Some humans shall we embrace 1,000 people that aren't interested in this product. They click on this affiliate hyperlink and they don't purchase the product. You will earn $0. So this is virtually important to recognize, so I don't need to inform you, man. Simply send visitors in. You are going to get sales while you need to discover simply people which might be going to shop for the product. So I am going to expose you guys a way to do it. So we've got took this affiliate hyperlink and we are going to use tiny URL to take to make our associate hyperlink appears plenty higher so that you can see right here. It looks a great deal higher proper right here, so allows click on reproduction, and we're going to use this affiliate hyperlink to ship our clients to this touchdown page. So what I do is I pause on Facebook. So there are a few strategies that you may use. However, if you pause on FBIN, your search, for example, Donald Trump, and you're going to locate lots of those pages proper here. You don't need to go on his predominant page, but you may discover tons of exclusive ones. For instance, this one, and you could come to this weight with 4.2 million likes in this web page, and you can find a number of movies that human beings that loves Donald Trump. They're going to come here, and you can see some of them have a lot of views, numerous shares, a whole lot of stuff. So you could see this right here has almost 1,000 likes. So that means that quite a few people involves this page, possibly around 50,000 human beings watch this video, and only in just a few hours you could see 330,000 views in just 2 hours. So what you could do is you can move in comments choice proper here. Locate the pinnacle comment. You can see this one is the top remark. You may click on reply right here, and what you can do is you could publish your affiliate link right here, and you can take this over to 62. Many humans voted for our president. They own on this coin. We will reproduction that and say check it out, and we want to publish it proper right here. So you can see it is going to take a few seconds to publish this comment, and what as soon as it's far live, I want to expose you guys what will take place. So just look ahead to some moments. You may see right here the coin is showing up proper right here. So which means now not to freak, and again 32,000 people are going to look this comment that we have spoke back at the pinnacle remark. However, at least few thousand humans are going to look it, and let's consider 5,500 people are going to click on our hyperlink in few orders we will get, so that you do not need simply to publish one remark. However, of POF, you do not need to spend them in case you spam. You're 100% going to get banned. In order that is clearly essential to recognize to not spam. In case you junk mail, you're going to get banned. So you're going to, while you post a few comments, people aren't going to peer it because you're banned. So that you do not want that to manifest. So don't try and unsolicited mail and put up, let's consider 5 or 10 or 50 comments consistent with day on these pages. That is not how to try this method. So our twad manner that you could get traffic in your affiliate hyperlink is Reddit. So you can see on Reddit you do not need to open some post round this. However, you can move. You may see right here politics. You can find this of course, and you can see they may be sending us to the news. However, if you go and click on comments proper here, you need to find the top comment proper here. You could see that is called a top comment, does not have loads of replies. So what you could do is you could reply for your comment and post your associate link. So for human beings that watch, you can see what number of people have voted for this pinnacle remark. 400 human beings, so meaning over 50,000 people. Notice this remark so that you want to go and reply with your associate hyperlink. But once more, if you try to unsolicited mail, if you attempt to post a whole lot of affiliate hyperlinks simply like this, again you're going to get ghosted. You need to try this technique without getting noticed lots, due to the fact whilst those who own those boards and pages, when they see which you're posting a lot of affiliate links, they're going to ghost you. So that you can inform will sincerely publish them anymore. So that you need to put up, let's assume, one or feedback in line with day on these items. Every other way that you could use to get some focused site visitors is of root Google. So what you can do, you can look for news. You can Click on proper here on gear and in ultimate 24 hours, you could discover a number of those information that you may post the remarks on, so that is truly essential to find fresh new information, because now not a whole lot of human beings saw them, and these pages are going to get millions of perspectives, so you need to head and of course look for a number of some of the websites that offer to post comments. So right here you can see BBC doesn't permit to publish comments, so that you want to move. Look for any other one, then look for any other one, and after you discover and use internet site that permit to submit feedback, you can pause and publish your comment. Just visit, scroll to the bottom right here and see proper right here you could see this is not remark, so that you need to head and locate some news that clearly permit to put up feedback, and once you discover them, make certain to publish your remark together with your associate hyperlink, and you can get a few traffic in your affiliate link, so that you